5 Fast and Easy Meal Prep, the blueprint. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by meal planning and prep? Imagine a life where eating healthy is hassle-free, delicious, and fits your busy schedule. In this video, we'll share 5 fast and easy meal prep strategies to empower your diet and transform your health journey. Meal prepping isn't just trendy, it's a powerful tool for anyone seeking a healthier lifestyle. By dedicating a little time, you'll save hours in your week, stay on track with nutritional goals, and avoid unhealthy last-minute food choices. Healthy eating has never been this easy. When you prep meals in advance, you control your ingredients, portions, and nutrients. This eliminates mindless snacking and ensures you're always prepared with delicious, balanced options. Remember, taking care of your diet isn't just self-care, it's an investment in a thriving future. The first step to meal prepping success? Planning ahead. Take a few minutes each week to jot down your meals and snacks. Think about breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks that will fuel your day while aligning with your diet goals. Keep it simple. Choose 2-3 key recipes to rotate throughout your week. This maximizes variety while minimizing effort. Write your shopping list based on these meals. Clear plans save time, reduce food waste, and guarantee stress-free meal prep. A well-stocked kitchen sets the foundation for quick and easy meals. Fill your pantry with long-lasting staples like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and canned beans. For your fridge, stock up on proteins like chicken, eggs, tofu, and fresh vegetables. Pro tip: wash, chop, and store your veggies as soon as you get home from the store. Prepping ingredients immediately saves precious moments during mealtimes and gives you a head start on your week. Batch cooking is your secret weapon for healthy living. Dedicate time to preparing large portions of your favorite meals, like soups, roasted vegetables, or grain bowls. Divide them into individual containers for effortless, balanced meals throughout the week. For example, cook a big batch of grilled chicken and roasted sweet potatoes, then combine them with greens, quinoa, or a dressing for endless meal variations. One effort, multiple meals. It's efficient and effective. Not all meals need lengthy cooking. Keep some no-cook or minimal prep options like yogurt parfait, wraps, or salads in your back pocket. These recipes come together in minutes without compromising taste or nutrition. For breakfast, layer Greek yogurt, berries, and granola in jars for grab-and-go convenience. At lunchtime, wrap leftover proteins with veggies in whole grain tortillas. The goal is simplicity without sacrificing quality. Half the battle of staying consistent is keeping your prep organized. Invest in high-quality, reusable containers to store your meals. Label them by meal type or day to make your entire week a breeze. Don't forget to dedicate areas in your fridge and pantry specifically for prepped meals and snacks. This ensures that healthy options are front and center, making good choices almost automatic. Meal prepping isn't just about saving time, it's about reclaiming control over your health. These 5 tips offer a blueprint to empower your lifestyle without stress. Whether you're new to healthy eating or a meal prep veteran, small actions lead to big transformations. Experiment, have fun, and find what works best for you. Over time, your efforts compile into a deeply ingrained habit. Progress, not perfection, is what fuels a long-term journey. Ready to take the first step toward your healthiest self? Start small. Schedule your first meal prep session this weekend using the strategies we've shared. If this video inspired you, share your success stories in the comments or tag us in your meal prep photos.